Al Khair Foundation is aiding Rohingya refugees across multiple camps within the Cox's Bazar district of Bangladesh by providing thousands of freshly cooked, nutritious meals, delivering trucks with tankers full of clean and safe water supplies, establishing medical camps providing vital medical support and medication, and installing weather-resilient shelter tents, granting safety and security to the vulnerable families of stateless, homeless and voiceless Rohingya refugees. Together with Al Khair Foundation, you can change lives today by donating £50 towards a food pack or cooked meals, £30 towards the delivery of clean and safe water supplies, £25 towards hygiene kits and medication, and £100 towards a weatherproof shelter tent. Save Rohingya lives now by calling 03000 999 786 or give online at alkhair.org.